Hello everyone, this is Texan and welcome to today's video. Today's topic will be about why you need to start programming. Now, programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that tells the computer how to act. As programmers, we use programming languages to interact with the computer and build applications for the user. Now, why do you really need to start programming? Number 1, it teaches you how to think. Both Steve Jobs and Bill Gates mentioned in a conference the importance of programming, and their argument was that it helps you how to think. Really, programming teaches you how to think, because you sit on your desk, write code, and you don't expect that that code will work from the beginning. Definitely, you will meet a lot of problems that you need to fix. Definitely, you need to think and use your brain to find the solution of what's going on with your code. That also applies when you are starting to learn programming. You're introducing your brain to new and abstract concepts that you never saw. And inside your brain, you're analyzing and interpreting what is going on in front of you. It is like learning a new math chapter in school. Unless you sleep in math sessions, you usually use your brain to analyze the concepts that the teacher is explaining. Same in programming, you will meet a lot of problems during your code, which will oblige you to think and solve the problem. Number 2. It is the future. Literally right now, we have robots that can do the dishes, clean the house, Siri on iPhone, where you can talk and interact with for it to do the task you want. Also, with programming, we could make the computer do things for us that humans can't do. It can calculate this equation in a fraction of a second, maybe less. For humans, well, I personally will not bother calculating this equation without using a calculator. That was a simple example. Computers are used more than that. I forgot to mention self-driving cars. Who knows, maybe someday flying cars. Do you see what technology do? Who knows, maybe you'll be the one who builds that flying car. But starting with the basics of programming, because we all start small to big, right? You can't just jump to build flying cars or robots without having the basics of programming with you. Plus, we are in the technology age. So, why don't you want to dedicate at least 2 hours a day learning programming? And be a part of this technology world and build something epic that will change the world. The third reason is because it offers income opportunity. So back to the flying car example. Imagine you decided to start programming and introduce yourself to technology. How, you may ask? By subscribing to TechSend and allow us to help you in this journey. Or you could take online courses on programming and other tech stuff or learn on YouTube. So you build that flying car, and now you've introduced the world to a new innovation. How much do you think your income will grow? Now, maybe you won't build that car. Let's talk about the jobs available. Well, actually, I made a video about the top 10 highest paying tech jobs, as well as the top 10 tech jobs with no degree needed. So check them out after this video. So the tech industry, as my research showed, that 55.3 million people have a job in this industry. And the number will definitely grow. We know that technology is something that is growing each day. New concepts are merging each day, like 5G that started in 2019, and it is estimated that 6G will be launched in 2030. Well, that introduces the fourth reason, which is job opportunity. Because of technology becoming a fast-growing sector in human lives, new fields are opening up, which leaves for you the opportunity to join them. AI and machine learning are definitely considered as the job of the future or the concept of the future. Because AI does everything for humans, and the goal of humans is to create things that ease their life, and AI proved it. So I won't be surprised if there will be a lot of demand and opportunities on this topic. The last reason is that programming encourages creativity. I don't know about you, but have you ever wanted to build something on your own? Like a game or a software or something cool that will fulfill your needs? For example, I wanted to build my own GTA. I know it is a big project, but it is an example. Maybe you want to build also your dream game. Maybe sell it and expand your game by merging a team that will help in building a better game. Or you want to build a great software that will be a great help for the user and for the world. You see, programming is not just writing code and performing mathematical equations. It also creates and encourages creativity in building your imagination and make it appear in a virtual aspect that has an impact on the people's lives and on the world too. So tell me in the comments, what are your reasons to start programming? And do you have any creativity in mind that you can share with us in the comments? Please make sure to do it. And that brings us to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to start your journey on programming, you can start here in this channel, because I did a Python tutorial for beginners like you, so you could start your programming journey with this amazing programming language. But first, make sure to watch this introduction to programming video before jumping to this tutorial. Alright, see you there.